If you have a OneControl touchpad with a USB drive, you will want to save your programming before you replace the HVAC controller to simplify the procedure. To do this, we need to enter into programming mode on the OneControl touchpad, or OCTP. To do this, press the Home title 5 times and then select Yes on the prompt. This will take you into programming mode. Once the programming screen has loaded, insert a USB thumb drive into the USB slot on the OCTP. A prompt to save or load configuration will appear. Select to save. Choose a file name to save under that will be easy to recognize. Naming it after the coach owner, floor plan, work order number, or something similar may be helpful. Press the Enter button when done and wait for the information to finish saving. This could take a few moments. Once it says saved, you can remove the thumb drive. With the floor plan saved, you can now replace the HVAC controller. Start by removing the Zone 1 and Zone 2 harnesses. Be sure to label which one is which and to place them back in the same slots on the new controller. If the controller has a harness for a generator, disconnect that as well. Finally, disconnect your CAN bus harnesses. If one of your CAN bus ports has a terminating resistor in it, set this aside and save it for the replacement controller. Finally, remove the screws securing the controller in place and remove the old controller. Next, place the new controller in the same spot as the previous one and secure it in place with screws. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this could result in breaking the mounts. Once the controller is secure, reconnect the harnesses you removed in the same locations as the previous controller. This will ensure that the saved programming works properly. Once you have finished connecting the harnesses, double-check that the dip switches in the top left corner of the controller are set to the same positions as the dip switches on the controller you removed. This will ensure that the proper functions are available when operating the HVAC system. To program the new controller, go back to the OCTP and enter programming by tapping the Home title 5 times again. Select Yes at the prompt and wait for the programming page to load. Once it is loaded, insert the thumb drive again and this time select Load when prompted. Select the title of the configuration you wish to load and then press Load again to begin. The system will then run through and load the floor plan. Once the screen says it loaded successfully, exit programming and remove the thumb drive. Now, you will need to remove the previously saved information that is no longer relevant. To do this, press the Settings icon on the left side of the home screen. Then select Resync Devices. Select OK and then select Yes on the prompt. This will clear the old data from the touchpad display. If the OCTP does not have a USB port or you do not have a USB thumb drive, you can manually program the OCTP for your new controller. To do this, enter programming the same as you did before, but this time, when the different controllers show up, scroll down to the HVAC controller. If the HVAC controller has a generator option, start with selecting the hour meter labeled Unknown. Select the drop-down for Device Type and select Hour Meter. The generator name will autofill. Remember to hit Set to save this info and then the back arrow once it is saved. Next, select the HVAC control labeled Unknown. Again, select the Device Type drop-down, but this time select HVAC Control. This time you will need to select the Name drop-down option and select the name for the HVAC zone wired to this port. Once you are done, hit the Set button to save your work. Once it is saved, press the back arrow and repeat this process again for the next zone. Again, if you have a generator option, you will need to select the Generator Genie icon with the Unknown title. Under Type, select the Generator option, and this will autofill the name option. Hit Set when you are done to save your work and return to the home screen. You will again need to follow the Resync procedure to clear the old data. Press the Settings icon on the left side of the home screen, then Resync and OK. And then select Yes on the prompt, and this will clear the old data and controller from the memory and leave the new information in its place.